Welcome back to Anthony Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the add to cart text in WooCommerce without using a plugin.
Anthony Tutorials.
Now, to do this, we'll be adding a small code snippet to our site. You will need to add this code to your child themes functions.php file. If you don't have a child theme, you can use a plugin like Code Snippet to add custom code safely. But make sure you don't add it directly to your parent theme's function.php file, because when you update the theme, any changes you made there will be completely erased. Alright, if you don't have a child theme or just want an easier way to add custom code, you can use a plugin called Code Snippets. To install it, just go to your WordPress dashboard. Head over to Plugins, Add New, and search for Code Snippets. Once you find it, click Install Now and then activate. Now, to add the code, go to Snippets, Add New, give it a title, and paste the code in the code section. This code have link in description below. After that, click Save Changes and activate. Once you have saved it, go ahead and check your product page. Your add to cart text should now be updated to whatever you set it to. And that's it. Super simple, right? Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Anthony Tutorials.